Hi, welcome to Pilates Done Right. My name is Melanie, and I'm a comprehensively certified Pilates instructor and personal trainer. And today I'm going to teach you how to cue a client through Magician on the Cadillac. So equipment setup, we start with the long purples sprung all the way from the top. So we have both loops. You'll have your client lay down on a table, and they'll probably need to scoot a little ways away from the uprights. We'll have them place their feet in the loops. And then they'll need to take a grip on the uprights. And you want to make sure that their hands are level. I'm just checking mine to see if we're fairly even here. And I can tell I'm going to need to scoot a little further away. So you need to be able to have, or your client needs to be able to have a good grip here. And the easiest cue in the world, this exercise, all you have to do is say, as you lower the legs, lift the hips. And then once you get them into this position, you can say lower the whole system down and lift the whole system up. Or while they're up here, you can have them shuffle their feet. And then to get them out of the exercise, just have them roll back down and bend at the hips. So once again, one simple cue. You really don't need to overthink it. All you say is, as you lower the legs, lift the hips. And they'll probably, for the first time, they'll kind of look at you for a second, and then I'll put it together, and they'll do it. Now it will look different on everybody. Not everybody can get as much height as I get here. I've been doing the exercise for a while, but body weight, strength, there's a lot of different mechanics here that will change how it looks for different clients. And you may have some that, just for demonstration purposes, only get up this far. And that's okay. That's a win. And they're going to feel like a victor when they do, when they finally get the idea of getting up and, moving the system up and down. But once again, very simple exercise, easy to cue. I shouldn't say it's a simple exercise. It's quite challenging, but it's not as complex as we can sometimes make it with our cues. So as you lower the legs, lift the hips. You can lift and lower the system. You can shuffle your feet here. And again, to get out, roll the spine down, flexing at the hips. And that's all there is to it. Take the feet out. And that is Magician on a Cadillac. Thanks for watching. Comprehensively certified. Blah. Hi, my name is Melanie, and welcome to my channel.